it this week, but we're soon heading into fall, and lifestyle advisor Dawn McCarthy is here with 6 products to look out for. Welcome, and you've got something for everybody.
I do. So first up, I'm going to talk about Broken Horn, and this is an LA-based country western store, Amy, that's been around since 1956.
Wow.
In Baldwin Hills. They actually started out with horse blankets, but now, and thanks to the insurgence of Beyonce and country music, let's talk, I mean, country fashion is in. So they've got everything from hats to pants to boots. They've obviously got all the name brands, the Wrangler, the Roper, the Justin, the Stetson. It's absolutely gorgeous. She's like looking at the sleeves on the shirt. Absolutely really, really gorgeous. And again, it's for everyone in the family. And what's even better, they ship nationwide. So it's a great place to go. They've got something for everyone. We'll have to try the hats on at the end. I make sure I've got one for you as well as me. But I love that. But I love it that they're everything for the family. And speaking of family, this is Nature's Recipe. You know that I'm a fur mom.
Yes.
So I only want the best for my dog. So kind of as we restock our cabinets this fall, don't forget, try just choosing Nature's Recipe. I say give it an option, give it a try for your dog. My dog has loved it, and she's a real picky eater. And actually, Nature's Recipe, it's made up of just real, recognizable ingredients. We want to give our dogs something that we know what we're actually giving them. A lot of times there's a ton of filler. These are formulated with pet nutritionists, balanced nutrition, and because every ingredient counts. And so this is grain-free salmon,
that's big.
Sweet potato, and pumpkin. So pumpkin's not only good for us, but it's good for the fur kids in the family. So I love that. So check them out. And again, they have a blog, Amy, that I love. It's probably one of the best fur mom blogs that I can ever find, or fur parents. Go check that blog out. Okay. Now I've got something specially for you. This is Black Girl Vitamins, and they offer targeted solutions to unique health challenges that Black women experience. So this is their MenoChill that just came out, and Black women actually tend to reach menopause about 8.5 months earlier than other women do. I didn't really know that. And you actually even experience a little bit more symptoms than other women do. So this has got your vitamin D in it as well, E, B6, and again, it combines just traditional herbs with basically modern nutrients to support your bones, hormone balance, mood stability, and gut health. Okay. So I really want you to try this. Okay. Not saying that Amy's in menopause or anything like that, but I'm just saying when you're ready here, we've got the MenoChill.
You got me ready. I got it. I got it.
And then you know I'm a huge fan of Dax Hair Care. They've been around for over 70 years. So this is their newest launch since 2020. They haven't launched anything, and they've just done it with their braid gel. And again, this is fragrance-free, so it's not going to compete with any of your
other hair products
or anything else that you have. It's flake-free. It's easy to wash in and wash out. It's got great ingredients. Then again, like I said, this is their newest launch since 2020, so definitely check them out for the braids.
And twist for my boys.
They've got the locks and twists and braids right now. As we head into the fall, like I have frizzy hair. It'll go really like crazy if I don't put it in a braid or something like that, so I'm loving this right now. Okay. Now I'm kind of winded. I need something to drink. So this is tea Java, and if anybody knows me, they know I love tea. So this I just picked up at Vaughn's, Ralph's, Smart and Final, and it's all about fall wellness. Tea is healthy antioxidants, and again, it's from the best tea leaves from Java in Indonesia. And again, it's done in small batches with no added sugars or preservative. And tea Java is just a ready-to-drink, unsweetened tea with an authentic, true-to-the-tea taste.
Pineapple mango. That sounds good.
Pineapple mango. Yeah. Did you were just pounding this?
I just tried this.
One too?
This is raspberry.
This was the raspberry. I love the black tea, and again, it's a go-to of mine. And then lastly, fall actually kicks off for a lot of people. Travel season. And this bag I am loving. This is Solo, New York, and this is their Grand Travel TSA backpack. So when you go, Amy's son, I don't know if everybody knows this, goes to school back east. So you're on and off airplanes and stuff all the time, as well as your boys. So this is a great weekender bag. It's going to hold up to 3 pairs of pants, 5 shirts, 3 shoes, your water bottle. Yes, absolutely. You get this too, everybody, on Amazon, Macy's, but it's just that perfect bag for shorter trips, weekend getaways. Fall really has a lot of travel things out there. It's got compression straps, so it's not going to hurt you. And I love it because it slips over my other bag. Because I bring so much stuff when I go traveling.
All right, Dawn, thank you so much. And of course, you can find more information about Dawn's Corner and all the products that you've just seen by going to our website, kgalnews.com, and click Seen on TV.